kankole n'oyo ayagaliza abantu okukola ate kankole n'oyo awulira ng'akolaganika naye olw'ensonga nti abantu abasinga they are selfish and they are mean. If you don't have that heart of sharing the information and the knowledge, it means even the neighbors cannot come to you. Wano we tuli, honestly, nannyiniwo y'ono. Angamba mbu akiikirira mwami. The hard fact is, nze yanoonya y'ono. Reasons being, and why do we engage women in such projects is another way of empowering them to stand on their own feet, not all the time depending on husbands. Kati bwe yeegaana nti si ye nannyini wano, it is wrong. Wamma ye nannyini wo. Oli omwami ky'akola is to support her and to put everything at hand as an implementation such that she owns everything other than everything she calls hello daddy. You see the kid is at home simply because they are demanding school fees. You see, auntie, you normally call them daddies. Hello daddy, there is no salt. Tata mwomwana, tata baby, there is no salt. But as you see here now, the other one is referring to is the founder director. But the CEO here is her. Aleme kutubuzaabuza na kutwekyangirako. Ya managinga, ya kola buli kimu. Oli omwami okumulaba n'obutamulaba nze ye omwami simwagala. Lwaki? Even me I'm not at home. But everything because I empowered my wife is the one who is managing my office. Ne sentence ya zimpa is my madam who pays me. What I want one time one day, madam ono mukulu agende okujja ngaleseeyo Range Rover. Amugambe, dad, tata w'omwana, this is the vehicle I have bought for you from the project you started. My viewers of Living Agriculture, this is luigareThe. I welcome you to this channel of Living Agriculture, where you get the knowledge, the skill, and the technical system. Today, I cordially invite whoever is viewing, even if you are not in the country and you have some people left behind, please, we are organizing a workshop at the farm. And this workshop is scheduled to take place on 8th of June 2024. We are meeting at our offices in the New Tax Park. That's where we shall live as a team or as a group to the farm. The entrance is 50,000. But if you are a living viewer or a subscriber or our family, you will need to pay just 20 is paid by Living Agriculture. Whatever you have been viewing, hatching eggs in a motor tire, hatching in a pot, how do we mix the feeds practically? How do we put charcoal in the feeds? What quantity? How do we make the medicine for toothache, for ulcers, for prostate, for diabetes and pressure? We are going to show everything on that day. I thank you for viewing, but whoever is viewing, share this video. On 8th of June, it is our farm training. We are meeting in the New Tax Park at our offices. That's where we shall depart. The farm is located in Seguku, Katare. This is where we have all our enterprises. I welcome you there, but the registration you have to register with Hannah on 0775 107737. Registration 0775 107737. An Airtel subscriber, it is 0741 82 84 05. I repeat, for registration for the workshop, 0741 82 84 05. Make sure that if at all you have one of the diseases I mentioned, on your registration include the treatment you want. Is it diabetes? Is it pressure? Is it prostate? Is it toothache? Or what? Or ulcers? Such that it enables us to come with a medicine. We need treated people. We need live people, such that we can go in farming when we are live. I'm luigareThe. On 8th of June, it is our farm training at Sebuku. The entrance is 50, but for living agriculture family, you are going to pay only 30. 20 have been sponsored by Living Agriculture Channel. I thank you for viewing. I thank you for liking. We meet on that day. Thank you.
Omuwulidde bw'agambye kati ye katumuwulire eki kyagamba ffe kye tunoonya nti our broad objective is to empower women regardless of being married or single, and the youth, because we have that crisis of unemployment. Kati ono madamu bw'aba asobola okugeza faamu eno, and it is going to start from here to be expanded to the level of international level. I promise you that. What I humbly beg is Tata w'abaana to support us in everything, and of which we shall have even here one, our incubator, hatching machine. 2, we need to have here our mill for mixing feeds from here. 3, we shall have the machine for making pellets of all sizes of chicken and rabbits. What we need is support. I thank you for viewing. Let's hear from her. Mbagamba bulijjo. I had some people who pretended to be working and liking to support other people. But at the end of the day, they changed. That's why we changed even the venue. Let me hope Teddy tajja kuneefuulira. Kasito neefuulira nga naawe nkukasuka eri. You see, I'm a Musoga by tribe, and I have reached 45 years of understanding, ntegeera. I will not let you down, neither change from today. This is our permanent home, our permanent demonstration farm for training all people who need to train. Let's hear from her.
Abatulaba n'abatuwegesa amaaso mwenna tubaaniriza ku Living Agriculture Channel. Ebingi byogeddwa okuva eri omukugu, kubanga nange mutunuulira nga taata nga menta, era nga nja kusooka okumwebaza okukkiriza okumunoonya amasimu. Batabani bange basobola omukakasa amasimu bwe mbadde mbagamba, era nejja okusituka leero naddala olwaleero eyakuyisa asobola okutegeeza namaze muwalabula. Namugambye omusawo tatwetaaga, ffe tukola ki? Ffe tumwetaaga. Omugaso gw'okutandika ekintu kino ng'era bwe tutegeezeddwa, twayagala okwempawaringa community. Ekifaananyi ekinene musawo akimanyire, tujja kibanjulira bwe tubanga tutambula paka nga tukituuseeko, tubatwalire mu mitendera nga paka tunakiggusa musobole nammwe okukinyumirwa. Muzeeyi musuubiza nti nze ng'omuntu si muntu eyeekyusa, benkolaganyeko nabo basobola okukola ki? Obuzibu bwe nnyina nti bwenjagala njagala ate bwenkyawa nkola ki? Naye nga siri mubi lwakuba nti ndi strict. Abantu abamu bantwala okubeera nti ndi mukambwe. If it means work, banjagala kukola. atabani ojja kumbuuza muzeeyi faamu nga siraba mu bakyala bangi nze ndi mukyala naye ate saagala nnyo obukuukuulu ne gye nkolera nze ebiseera bisinga nkola n'abaami because I want to say tugenda kukola kino tuzuuke nga tugenda kukola ekyo so sikke asaagala lugambo so sikke era kola ki muzeeyi nga waagambye nti okwe-empowering abakyala by the way muzeeyi ndi muyivu nina masters mu gender naye era nasigala neekubidde ku baami nwanirira baami kubanga abakyala tulina bangi ababawolereza naye abaami ebiseera ebisinga bye bavaayo tebabawuliriza agaye musajja kyoyo kati nenjagala nkijje muki nti nakola technology nenjagala nzire mu gender ndabe lwaki fe abakazi ebyuma ebyo nga olaba ekyo ekyuma ekinkwata level yaffe yali ntonoko either nga oyinza kumanya weba kamera kukuba kifaananyi weba computer gyo operating naye nga when I tell you to do the hardware part of it so nenjagala nkomparing omukyala ne technology tuyimiriddewa so ebbanga lyemmaze tagaddeko naye bwe nasetolinga nendabanga of course kuvedde nedda omwami akimanyi nti njagala nnyo ebyokulima era n'abatabani bawe basobola okujulira muzeeyi nze nnima ntudde omugongo mufu yentebe yange eri gyolaba naye ng'ebitooke ebyo nze mbirima nembikoola binnemye neŋŋamba omwami yakole kyanyambeko naye nga nze yagambye okuyamba abantu nze ntambula n'abatambula sikaka muntu tetugenda kaka muntu ayagala gye ayigirizibwe kuba muzeeyi kyamanyi nga wagambye nti bwamanya natusheyaringirako naffe tumanyisa omulala n'omulala n'amanyisa eyo gye tutali kuba buli omu atambula akola ki tuzadde abaana Uganda kituufu tusomye temunkwata obubi naye nja kyogera tusomye naye emirimu tetugenda gikola ki tetugenda kunoonya abantu tuwa capital emitwe gyaffe ekigenda tuwa capital muzeeyi ono nalinga mulaba ku channel yo mwami Mutego olonga enkoko zinfuddeko buli kimu tukikoze naye abavubuka tukoze tuta ng'ate omulamwa gwange gwali nga mbagamba saagala nnyo bintu by'amadagala abangamba n'enkoko zirina okugemebwa biki nenga kati ng'oku muzeeyi ntagala noonya dokita mwami Mutebi muweereza guniti laba lumungwa ku guuni ng'ataddeyo entabula y'emmere ng'ennamba yasoma bulungi angamba mutaano yange mmedi kuba essimu eyo tesimu teriiko konze mmedi kuba essimu mmedi oluvannyuma ennyo nga muzeeyi tumufuna naye nga naye wampaka konze muzeeyi mugambe ebyatusomeseza eri twagala wano kufaamu atubuulira amazima oba tuli bakyafu oba twabihandolinga bubi tulabe how to correct ourselves naye nga mu byonna neesiima nti muzeeyi naffe n'atwagala ng'abaana nga bakoliga era nga wabanyonnyodde tuli basanyufu nno abatabani be basobola okutegeeza muzeeyi bwe tuli abasanyufu nti watuwa obudde ate n'otwagala naffe tukusuubiza sirinaamu yekyanga naye lwakubanga wagamba omuntu yaba muntu naye nsuubira ate ekirungi tetulinaamu abaami b'ennaku zino tebaba n'eŋŋambo naye abange tebannalufuna so tujja kutambula muzeeyi tujja kutambula tweyanziza nnyo.
Some people think that working with the children it's a punishment, or working with your children is making them not liking what you are doing. But to be honest, once you engage your children in every project you are doing, honestly speaking, they will have to manage them. Mwabamu ebyo bye mwekyangamu nga mugamba ate abaana tebaagala kukola. I want you to tell me, kati ono is a daughter, but she has interest in her own mind. Era ffe tugenda kumuwulira mwennyini atubuulire. We have the goats section, we have the rabbits section, we have the chicken section, we have the turkeys section. Wama madam, I want you to tell the viewers there your names. You are called who?
Chichi.
Speak louder.
Chichi. Kasasa. Precious. Gretchen. And Kasasa.
Hey. Which class?
Year 1.
Year 1. Now you can hear how she's saying. Honestly, ngabwe mubanya abaana, they are not used at even a kid to be talkative. It depends on the who is associated with. Kati ebyo byonna kiraba my first time sikulu twayogera naye agambye is in year 1. Ekitegeeza is a campus a first year. Kawa kitegedde kitegeere. Now we have rabbits here. We have goats here. We have chicken here. Which one do you like most?
The rabbits.
You want rabbits? Why?
Because they are so cute.
Can you hear that? Agambye nti asinga kwagala rabbits. They are good. That's why I always tell you that always engage your children in every program or every project you are doing. For the reason is being, once these children, they like what you are doing, even in your absence, they can do what you can do. Wama, thank you for liking our rabbits. And I promise you that you have to be a veterinary officer. Where I'm not, you have to treat them. Thank you for being here and thank you for liking. You can wave to the people who are seeing you and tell them you are called who and even the school.
I am Precious Kasasa. My school is International School and Aga Khan.
Yes.
Aga Khan and
what? Do you have friends there?
I have friends and a teacher.
And the teacher is called who?
Teacher Erina.
Teacher Hilda.
Erina.
Teacher Erina.
Yes.
From Aga Khan International School.
Yes.
Can you wave to her there? That bye-bye teacher.
Bye-bye teacher.
Yes. Bwe muvaawo ate ffe bwe mulaba wano ate abaana tetubaagala. No. Now don't expect this lady of mine to be grumbling and fighting against chicks. Nti ajja kulwanira enkoko. No. Olw'ensonga ziri waka. If it comes to rabbits, knows how to give them the feeds. And if it requires giving them water, she can manage. I always tell you that my daughter is 4 years, but speaks 4 languages. Meat, chicken, fish, and rabbit. No beans. Once you talk of beans, she always asks you, are we at school? Kati nono mukyala. You see, the worst thing people always think of is not understanding what does your kid have interested in. So kati ebintu bino bwe tuba tubyogera, it is not because we simply say it out. Era nze ono singa tubadde bweru in developed countries wano wabadde atandikira to become a veterinary officer. Because she already has interest in what she wants. Naye omwana n'omusomesa emyaka 7, n'omwongera emyaka 4, n'omwongera emyaka emirala 2, n'omwongera n'omutwala ku university more 6 years to become a veterinary officer. But she has showed interest in what she wants to be. I pray to the Almighty that she achieves and still have interest in where she has that interest. I always tell you, let's like our children and show them what we are doing, and if they have interest in what we are doing, to be honestly speaking, these are our children who have to do what we are doing. And even in our absence, this daughter of mine, no talina kuba muwala wange, nalina kuba anti bampita jajja mwami. This is my takeaway. So we pray that may keep that interest in liking what she likes. If the mom is not around, she has the capacity of putting there the feeds. If the dad is not around, what we are going to do, all my efforts is to promote these children such that if they learn the common diseases in chicken, the common diseases in rabbits, the common diseases in goats, my role will be done. Thank you for viewing. Let's go and look at the turkeys and we call it a day.